for the cab. On the other side, Ronnie Dubé did the same. He reached the passenger door.
Extra regret behind me and a nice cutoff.
Moment. He clawed at it. He could still hear that low.
You gotta dive for the left turn lane when you could just turn left. Whatever.
What you doing with this? You doing with a legend. So what they call you when it's all said and done?
Yes. All of a sudden, he had all kinds of questions.
Nice cutoff.
The only thing
And nice dive for the left turn lane. How did I guess you were going to do that?
I get with the circle inversion what you're talking about. I don't know what it's used for. I don't know.
Hey.
Yeah, I got to give actual examples for that to carry.
Really?
But, you know, a little too long. You're still showing off. Yeah, he's showing off. Without a doubt.
Red light run. Just at the east side of the red light run. We're running with Warren. We're running red lights. And they don't know how a right turn lane works. It's freaking weird. Red light run.
But you ignore me. Then change the story. Change the story.
What a great way to do a U-turn. No stop. That is you, and you don't stopped. From the dawn of no stop. Kia, it's probably stolen. You don't have your headlights on. Nissan driver. Yeah, I tried to signal him, but he's not paying attention.
Or it's Nesmith in the corner, or it's turn in the other corner. They stink. At the worst option.
No stop.
They stink. And then Halliburton goes in.
My light just turned green. What the hell are you doing, old timer? Nice cutoff.
That was on April 3rd. This is on April 3rd as well.
Red light run.
Even on leads, would those still be around?
You can go now. Go.
The mind of a literate writer, but I did it in fact.
Oh, you were the one that was just sitting there, and you flipped us off for some stupid ass fucking reason.
I don't think like I used to. No, I don't blink like I used to. I go stares at everybody. See the
No stop. Fancy Nissan driver. And no stop again. Fancy Nissan driver.
Would not admit for sure even in her secret heart, but now she feared it. Perhaps.
Wait, what the hell is that guy doing over there?
Son.
Really?
If her name had been plucked from the big drum in the twice-yearly super drawing.
Come on. Why are we stopping? Come on.
Out of a lemon or something. And you're stabbing me. There's the
Red light run behind me.
so much less impressive.
Fancy Nissan driver. Seriously, you wait for me to get this close before you get going. And you only had a yield sign, not a stop, so come on. Red light, run. You're an asshole, you know that, right? Fuck you, go ahead.
Such as avoidance.
Holy shit, there's a deer in the middle of the inner loop? Seriously? Okay! A highway in the middle of the city, and there's gonna be deers running through here, like we're just off of downtown. Okay! It's a little lost. Why'd you have to go over there and then die for this lane? Red light, run! And you're gonna block the intersection now like an asshole. Come on, get out of the way. People gotta get home. Yeah, yeah, people are getting very horny about this whole thing. You know, what's the point of running that red light if you're just gonna get stuck at the next one? People are dumb.
In these walls, I don't know how long I can wait in these walls. I've been on the streets too long. Looking at you from the outside.
I don't have a stop. Lex sucks.
About how they walls off.
Red light, run! Red light, run! Red light, run!
Going nowhere. He's doing the same crap that he's been doing before. Isn't it obvious? Well, let me know.
Go, come on!